Good morning, guys. I'm Kusner Ansari, and I'm from Jharkhand. And today I want to ask you a question. Nowadays, you can see unemployment, most of unemployment, and you can see education system and in our India, road. Do you know road condition is not good. This situation is anywhere. If you go anywhere you can see this type of situation. So I want to first of all I want to ask you one question. Who is responsible for this? Who is responsible? My government is responsible, or people are responsible? I think, uh, if you have any answer you can give answer, but I want to share my answer. This is this is our mistake. This is not government mistake. This is not government fault. This is our fault. When election will when will election come, that time we don't think this type of situation. What is happening in our society, what is happening in our city. We don't think that time in our education system. We don't think our children's education. We doesn't matter what will happen in future in our children. And that time we don't think road system. And if any politician will if any politician uh, tell us, if you will cast, if you'll give me vote, I will strong your situation. I will strong your situation. And and the politician give us some money like that, only 500 rupees, only 1000 rupees. And we all motivate him. And after that we cast in this we cast we cast vote to him. But after that what happened? After that, what will happen? Politician win the vote. And the politician sit in the politician sit in the like their their chair, we can say. After that, this problem do not solve. After that this problem do not solve. Yes. And that's why our situation is going bad day by day. And do you know how education system is in our India? How education system going on in our India? And which type of education system going on in our country? If I talk about my Jharkhand, if I talk about any other state, and if I talk about our my Ranchi city, and if I talk about any other city, everywhere this type of situation happening day by day. And our education system is losing day by day. Why? Because first we need to think about this problem. If you will know, if you will not think now, after that in future we will facing lots of problem in our society. And nowadays you can see most of young people has completed their whole education. But now you can see, they all are, not all are, but most of people are unemployed. Why? What is the reason? because main reason is our education system, because education system is nowadays education system is not strong, and our government will our government is not becoming strong. Our education system, our government want to our government want to lose lose our education system, because our government don't want to people study. And after that our government think about study. If people will study, then people will ask me for job. And if I will unable to give them job, and after that people will not cast me, and I will defeat in next election. Yes. And government don't want to government don't want to give education give better education for us. Yes. And if we will not get good education, if we will not get a good education, then we will we will not raise our hand for against government. That's why government want to people do not study. Yes. Yeah. And people don't get more education and high education. If people will not study, then people will not ask me for job, and people will not raise their hand against me, against government. That's why that's why government don't want to. And government and do you know our road system road in this time we can say road system is very bad. You If you will go anywhere, if you will go to a market, and you can face so many problem, so many do you know ditch, so many ditch in in road. And you will have to face so many problem for ditch. Yes. And I want to share my next question. If you want to if you want to remove this type of situation, if you want to get good education, if you want to our government will provide education, good education. So first we need to understand, and after election we need to choose best leader. Yes, we need to choose best leader who is best for us, and who will provide good facility in future. After becoming leader, who will provide good facility in our society, in our state, in our city. We need to choose good leader. Do you know we don't we not need to money. We don't need to 500 money, we don't need to 1000 money, because in 5000 money we can't survive 5 year. Okay. You need to understand first, we can't survive only 500 rupees in a whole 5 years. We can't survive only 1000 whole our whole 5 year. Okay. That's why we not need to like Swapna. Yes, we don't need to give them ourselves, give leader ourselves. Just we need to think about it. We need to think about this issue, and this issue is increasing day by day. Yes. And uh, I want to I want to tell you, if you go anywhere, then you if you see your bad road condition, and I know if we go anywhere and we can see bad road condition, but when will our leader will come for asking me for taking vote, and for spreading awareness about what. That time we need to ask him question, why this type of situation happening day by day. If next what if next election, if I will give you what, you will not solve our problem. So that's why we will not give you what. If you will uh, if you will uh, if you will uh, solve our problem, if you will solve our problem, then we will give you what. We don't need to 500 rupees only, we don't need to 1000 rupees only. This is main thing. We need to think, we need to become educated, do you know, not only for academic, not only for academic education. We need to get information about it. We need to think about our life, we need to think about our children's life. That's why and now our video is going very big. So I think I want to stop my voice. Okay, bye bye. Nice to talk to you.